ABC Reading Hub. Today let's learn about the English alphabet. The letter A. A is for alien. Alien. The letter B. B is for bee. Bee. The letter C. C is for clown. Clown. The letter D. D is for drum. Drum. The letter E. E is for elephant. Elephant. The letter F. F is for frog. Frog. The letter G. G is for goat. Goat. The letter H. H is for hat. Hat. The letter I. I is for igloo. Igloo. The letter J. J is for juice. Juice. The letter K. K is for king. King. The letter L. L is for ladybug. Ladybug. The letter M. M is for mushroom. Mushroom. The letter N. N is for nuts. Nuts. The letter 0. 0 is for owl. Owl. The letter P. P is for plane. Plane. The letter Q. Q is for quilt. Quilt. The letter R. R is for robot. Robot. The letter S. S is for seal. Seal. The letter T. T is for turtle. Turtle. The letter U. U is for unicorn. Unicorn. The letter V. V is for vulture. Vulture. The letter W. W is for whale. Whale. The letter X. X X is for X-ray. X-ray. The letter Y. Y is for yogurt. Yogurt. The letter Z. Z is for zoo. Zoo. Thanks for watching, kids. Until our next alphabet adventure.